Hi guys, I'm back again. Today I want to tell you how I made a turbine. Firstly, my name is Eze Stanley GB. Time around, I want to show you how I made a turbine, a turbojet engine. So first of all, this is the instrument I use in making this turbine jet engine. So this is the turbo fan. So which I made from this thing. Can you see that? And this is the scissors for cutting, ruler for measuring. So can you see this now? Let me start how I make it. So first of all, we cut this can, and then put it in this shape. This time around, now to measure, to cut um something in a round shape to hold the turbine. So watch and see. We measure 18 cm for it. So this time around, I'm through with this thing now. Let me see that. So I'm giving it a hole where I will tie the knots. So let me see that. So this one. So they are going with this one. So they will be holding the turbine like this. You see that. So this is a perfume container. So I cut it like this. Can you see that? I cut it so that see inside of it. Just I made a hole inside it. Can you see that? So I even put a gas hose on it. Can you see that? So I use that gas hose. So this insecticide now, I cut it into different shapes just to get this thing. This is what I want from this. See that? This is the only thing I want from this thing. So I'm done with this. Remaining iron now, I'm gonna cut some part of it from this side now. I'm gonna cut it to make something that will hold the turbine rod. So by this time now, I've made a hole on it. Can you see it now? So this time around, I'm gonna fix the turbo jet into the turbo fan. Can you see the turbo fan? So I'm gonna fix them. So watch this. You see that hole? I'm gonna put it inside here. So I put the turbo fan inside this thing now. So watch this. So I'm gonna use this thing to hold it inside here. So by this time now, this iron has come out from this place. So see how it works. So see the turbo fan. So it's now moving freely. So use A now. So this time around, I'm gonna fix it on this clamp now. Let me see that. So I'm gonna fix it here. Let's see how it works. Thank you for watching the video.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.